welcome back. Today we are going to continue with linear inequations. I had actually stopped the chapter because of GST and circles, but I am going to continue it. So let's begin. Start with this. Today we do the linear equation, and I will start with first telling you what is a replacement set. What is a replacement set? Okay, so before explaining this to you, I'll insert a page here. I'll give you one question, I'll solve it and explain every concept with that, except all of those using this. Okay, let me just insert one. Okay, the question is that 5x plus 13 greater than, let's say, 18. Okay, now x belongs to, no, I'll not do this. I'll do one second. Let me remove this, rewrite the question. Let's say 18 less than equal to, then I will say 8. Okay, x belongs to let's say integers. X belongs to positive integers. Okay, positive integers. Now you have to find me the solution set. You'll not understand this question now. I'll explain the whole thing. I'll explain the aspects of the question, then you'll understand. First, let's talk about the replacement set. What is this replacement set? Replacement set is nothing but this part of your question. So replacement set is nothing but the range, the set in which your answer belongs. It can be a natural number. All the replacements is right. It can be a natural number. It can be a rational number. I'm writing like this. Okay, it can be a real number. Then it can be, let's say, a integer. Then it can be a positive integer. Then it can be a negative integer. Anything I left, let's say the whole number. It can be a whole number. Okay, these are the let me recap this if you don't know. Natural number 1 2 so on. Integers, like starting from minus infinity going on minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 till infinity. Real numbers, all numbers present in life, all numbers. There are more numbers, even greater than, even broader than the real numbers, but not now. Rational number, any number that can be arranged in the form of a p by q. Positive integers, all integers greater than 0. Negative integers, all integers less than 0. Whole numbers, all natural, starting from 0 0 1 2 3 4. That's okay. If I draw the set, it will be like let me say I'm removing the whole number here. Okay, let's say this is my natural number, it's the smallest. Then is my whole number. Then is my integer, I'm writing I. Okay, then is my rational number. Then is my real number. This is how, if you want to draw a Venn diagram, then it should be. Okay, so this is my replacement set. Now let's talk about my solution set. What is my solution set? Solution set is nothing but the value of x it actually belongs to. Okay, the value of x where it belongs to according to the question. Remember this, according to the question. Where does my x belong? Now a solution set is already, I think you learned sets last year. Solution set is written in the set builder form. Like if this is my solution, always write s. Better, it will be written as x such that, you'll always write x such that, then whatever my solution of x after solving the inequality is there, you write this in this space. Understand? This is my solution set actually. X such that condition I get, that's it. So Actually, let me solve this question. Can you see this question? Remember it? Now, how to solve it in your exam? We want that. So first you would always write, sorry, let me rewrite this. You should always write 5x plus 8 less than 18. First write the question in your exam. Then you shift it, you don't step jump, you shift one letter. It will be 5x less than 10. Then you do what? X less than 10. I think I did a step jump here. I think you should not do it ever. 18 minus 8. Even such rudimentary steps, don't step jump in your ICSE exam. Many teachers don't give marks. So it will be 10. X will be less than 10 by 5. X will be less than 2. This is one easy example I gave. Okay, so this is my actual form I get. So what I should write is that the solution set is nothing but x such that x is less than equal to 2, and what is my condition? X belongs to a positive integer. X is a positive integer. So then they will ask you, they can also ask, or when you write the solution, you can also write the solutions. Okay, like you will write here 1 and 2, because 1 and 2 are the only solutions. Now one thing they ask very often is that this thing. Okay, they say draw it on a number line. Draw it on a number line. How should you do that? I don't know that. Let me try to do it. So first, before doing that, let me tell you the concept of intervals. Okay, intervals. Now if I have this thing, let me draw it with a different color so that you guys understand. If you do this, and let's say this is the third bracket, this is a single bracket, this is called an open interval. And this thing is nothing but called a closed let me rewrite the D, closed interval. What does this mean? Let's say there are two numbers 3 and 5, and I place some of that. Let me say open intervals I place. Open means just greater than. Closed means greater than equal to or less than equal to. In open you don't have the equal to signs. So if I try to do this, let's say this thing, how will I write? My value of x, if I say x belongs to this, mostly it happens like this. So what will happen? My value of x, one second. So my value, one second, let me delete this. So my value of x will be nothing but 3, between 3, but with this. And on number line, open intervals are represented by unfilled circles. Let's do the closed intervals. Let's say x belongs to 3, 4, 5 closed. That means nothing but x belongs to in between 3 and 5, but including 3 and 5. Number line, it is represented like this. Okay, now if you see my question, that was, you saw there are only two solutions to the question, that is 1 and 2. So if I draw the number line here, how to draw the number line? Draw such a line. You label one point as 0, 1, 2, 3. Most times answer is close to this points only. Otherwise start from a point that is very close to those points. Then take a pen, another, no, you'll not have a color, you use your pen only. So my solutions to the question were 1 and 2, nothing else. So here I will just give a filled circle in 1 and 2. Understand, this should be my thing and this will achieve me full marks. Okay, now let me give you another question. Let's say x less than equal to 3 and x belongs to R. So it's all real numbers. So how should you draw this? Then you should do first this number. I'm just teaching you how to draw a number line. Okay, 0 1 2 3 -1 -2 till now. Then you should do, it's greater than equal to, so this will be obviously filled circle, and you draw like this and draw an arrow. That means this line will be continuing. This line will be continuing. This is what you mean. Now if say there is an example like x is less than 2, greater than equal to 5. Okay, x belongs to R. Most cases R only come, R on real number comes. Okay, so let's say this is the number line. I'll use that color only. So let's say 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3. Mind the spacing between the things. Okay, it should be like uniform. So you'll see here 5 is close, so I'll draw something like this on the 5. Okay, 2 is not close, so I'll just draw a small circle here, and then I'll just join these 2 points. And don't do like this. Okay, just draw a single line in an exam. Okay, a deep line obviously. Okay, so I am doing it so you can see that. Okay, so this is how to solve problems. Now there is one last type of problem I want to discuss with you that comes in the exams, is like this. Let's say 2x plus 3 less than, two sides problem. Okay, less than, let's say 5x less than 5x plus not plus, let's say -6. Let me do a rough work here. Okay, so what I will do is I'll do a greater than sign here, and I will say 2x, not 2x, let's say 3x plus 2. X belongs to R. Find me the solution set and the number line. You'll get 2 marks for this, 2 marks for this. Okay, remember that. So first what you have to do is you have to break this, like truncate it. First you'll solve this, do like this part first, then you will do this part. Okay, so first let me write this first part. It will be what, 5x minus 6 greater than 2x plus 3. So it will be what, 3x. I'm step jumping here, please don't step jump in the exam. 9x is greater than 3. If I got that, now let's go to the next part. What will be that? 5x minus 6 less than equal to 3x plus 2. So it will be what, 2x less than equal to 8. X is less than equal to 4. Okay, so what do I get? That x, what is my solution set? Nothing but x such that x is between 2 and 4. This is my solution set. So and x belongs to R. So here I don't have to write the solutions. Okay, I have to write x belongs to R. Now how to draw the number line in this case? I'll go to a new page. Let's say this is the number line. Let's say this is 0, this is -1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So what I'll do is that, so it is closed here at 4. Do it. Close here at 4, open at 2, and then join this. Join about the line. Okay, if this is the line, join about the line. Okay, so this is my solution. How to solve this kind of problems, like when there is 2 on both sides there are, okay, on both sides you can see there are the inequalities. Okay, how to solve this? Even more complex will come. We'll do that in the problem jam. So I think with this we have completed the theory part of our inequalities. So I'll be